Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Garageband by creating a new project and importing or recording the sound you want. Keep your target under 30 seconds since iPhone ringtones must be short. Once you have the clip, tap and use the trim handles to remove silence. Make sure critical beats sit inside the range so nothing gets cut. If the clip needs volume or pitch fixes, apply those now. Small EQ or gain changes are fine. This establishes a clean file to edit further. You now refine the edit. Split regions where needed, arrange clips, and add subtle fade or automation for smooth start and end. Once the edit is tight, choose Share Right Arrow Song Right Arrow files and export as an AAC/M4A file. Make sure the exported file is no longer than 30 seconds. Otherwise, iPhone won't accept it as a ringtone. After export, rename the file extension from M4A to M4R on your computer or in Files, so the system recognizes it as a ringtone. You finish by transferring the M4R ringtone to your iPhone, connect to a Mac and use Finder, or use iTunes on Windows, then drag the tone into the Tones section and sync. Once synced, go to Settings Right Arrow Sounds and Haptics Right Arrow Ringtone and select your new tone. If the ringtone doesn't appear, check one key thing. Make sure the file extension is M4R and that the clip is under 30 seconds. If syncing still fails, toggle Trust and reconnect the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.